Okay, so I was researching the news today about humanoid robots, and this is what I found. And honestly, the things I found, it looks like kind of crazy to me. Like most people think humanoid robots are science fiction, but companies are already testing them in the factories. Look at this article. Look at this article for example. Physical AI sending humanoid robots to the factories floors in 2026. This is not some random futuristic prediction anymore. According to this article, companies are already putting humanoid robots into their companies. And look at this path. The BMW. BMW reportedly testing humanoid robots inside their factories for months. And Japan Airlines is even testing airports for physical work. That's honestly insane. And then, when I searching the articles, I found even crazy thing. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. We all know Tesla is working on the humanoid robots, but this article was blew my mind. Tesla's Optimus robot uses and release timeline. They are saying this robot can do walk, lifting objects, sort out the things, and even help in the factories and homes in the future. And honestly, a few years ago, if a person came to us and told robots would soon work beside humans, I probably wouldn't believe it. Not only me, anyone wouldn't believe it. But then, there this is the Atlas article. Boston Dynamic Atlas. Boston Dynamic Atlas. Look at this robot. This is literally lifting the heavy objects and moving almost like a human. And see this article. This article says can this robot Atlas can lift 100 pounds. That's actually terrifying when you think about how robots are improving so fast. And the craziest part is we are still early. Like seriously. This technology is still in the beginning stages. And then I found another article talking about home robots. Look at this 12 robots. They are already discussing robots for homes, helping other people, carrying objects, and assisting humans in their daily life. I don't think society is fully prepared for how fast this is growing because right now it feels very exciting, but at the same time, there's also some scary side like what's happening to the jobs because robots don't get tired, sleep, or take a break. And guess what? Companies loves efficiency. But at the same time, robots could also help humans. Like they could help in our dangerous works, help old people like elderly people, and support industries with the shortage of labor. So honestly, I feel like the humanity entering a very strange new era. And I really want to know your opinion by seeing these articles and by seeing this news. Would you trust a humanoid robot inside your house, inside your workshop, or helping your family? And do you think robots will help humans? And do you think robots will help humanity or eventually replace the human? What's your opinion by seeing these articles and everything? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoy future technologies, AI and topics like this, subscribe to the Damarka Brief because honestly, the future is getting weird very fast. Thanks for watching. Signing off, Damarka Porishet.